Welcome to our channel. Are you facing issues with Windows security not functioning properly on your Windows 11 PC? You're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through some simple yet effective solutions to get your Windows security up and running smoothly again. From troubleshooting common problems to implementing quick fixes, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and ensure your system stays protected.
First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Scroll down to System Components. Click on System Components. Locate Windows Security. Click on the three dots to open the Windows Security options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If the Windows Security app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Windows Security data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Windows Security is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Windows Security data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again.
First, open a folder. Select this PC. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the System32 folder. Open the Security Health folder. Open the latest Windows Security folder. Double-click the Microsoft Sec Health UI file. Press Reinstall. Press Reinstall again. Press Launch. Now Windows Security should load.